So there's a lot of ice on my like thing right now. So I'm gonna try not to die. Ooh. We made it out alive. I don't know why, but I just look like a ooh girl. Rock. That's very random. My throat hurts so bad. I don't know why. I'm like, okay, like if you think that I should start like a vlog, but I have to end the vlog. Like I have to do a full year of vlogging. Like, so tomorrow will be the first day of vlogging, but then next year I will have to stop at January 20 something. I think the 28th, maybe the 28th. Yeah. So, like, if you want me to start vlogging, and if you could, and if YouTube allows you to comment, start vlogging. I would love to start vlogging. I think that would be so fun. But I don't even think a lot of people will see this. So, it's just a matter. Okay, if we get 3 likes and over, I will start vlogging. Because I'm not like, I don't get a lot of views. Like, I only have like 84 or something like that subscribers, and I gained like 15 of those because my mom used to have this channel for like yoga and stuff. So I hopped on and started making shorts and stuff. So yeah. But like if you think I should start vlogging.